Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Dear brother and sisters, myself Abdullah Al-Jubair, Aarhus University, Denmark. Today I'm not speaking myself, I'm speaking justice. Our leader Shahid Osman bin Hadi killed, but today till we are not received any justice. And we are all know that justice delayed, justice denied. Justice delayed, it become an injustice. And this is not only about our own leader. This is about law of our country. This is about our conscience. This is about our future of country. This is about our sovereignty of our country. Today, if we are still silent, if we are not raise our voice, this injustice reach to anyone, this kill reach to anyone. So I respectfully ask to everyone, please raise your voice and stand for truth. Raise your voice for justice. Justice for Osman Hadi. We want justice. Bangladesh Jindabad, Inkilab Jindabad.